If you want to know how to start as a freelancer online, if you want to learn how to be a successful freelancer, if you are a total beginner, you want to know how to start, where to start, and what to do, and how to get your first 10 clients in less than 1 month, this video is for you. Stay tuned and follow up with me. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm really so excited to publish this video, which will be number 1 in the full freelancing series. Like 2 weeks ago, I published a couple of videos about how to start working online as a beginner, and I explained the 5 main strategies or 5 main methods to be a successful online business owner. One of these 5 strategies or methods is freelancing, is to be a freelancer online. And I promised you to start a series in each of these 5 methods, and today I will start with freelancing because I think it's one of the most easiest methods to start working online, and it doesn't require any real budget, so you can start from $0. So in this video I will share with you exactly how to start as a freelancer, what you should know, what you should have, and where to start, and everything else. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you may be wondering who I am and why you should listen to me. But if you are following me, you know about my online business, about Educate, about my 5 online income streams, and much more. So if you are new and you like to learn more about my businesses, you can check the videos in the description below. In short, I'm Hassan, the founder of Educate, and today I have more than 80,000 followers on Udemy, 70,000 followers on YouTube. I run 5 online businesses, and I have my own service website where I provide freelancing services, serviceeducate.com. So in this series, starting from today till the end of this series, I will show you how to start from scratch on Fiverr, then to move on to your own website like this to be a professional freelancer online. Okay, so I promise you that after you watch this series and after you apply what I'm going to tell you, you will get your first 10 orders, 10 clients in less than 1 month. And this is the minimum. Okay, so in this video, I will share with you the top 3 factors, the top 3 things that you should have before you start as a freelancer. You should have a clear vision before you do anything online or even in your own life. So, to have a clear vision, to have a clear path, let's see what you should have and how to start as a freelancer. But please, before we start, if you like to watch more videos like this, you want to get updated with the latest videos here on my channel, don't forget please, subscribe now to my channel, turn on notifications, and please support me, like the video. So let's start together from scratch. What I did simply is I went to Fiverr and created a new brand account. So I will start with you from 0. You see, there's a brand account. I don't have any gigs. I don't have any reviews. I don't have anything. So if you have an account on Fiverr, that's great. If you have some gigs, that's great. If you don't have one, just go pause the video, create an account on Fiverr. And by the way, if you don't know Fiverr, it's a freelancing marketplace. Let's open Fiverr. So in this website, we can search for people to do some jobs for you. It's a freelancing marketplace. You see this here? Let's say you want to create a logo, you go to graphics and design and search for logo designers. You want to go with digital marketing, you search for digital marketers that helps you grow your business, and so on. So on this website, you can be a freelancer, okay? Now the main problem on this website that we have a high competition. We have a lot of people here. We are in 2020. We have a lot of freelancers, and the main problem that faces a beginner, this question, how I can grow online, how I can go in this competition, it's somehow hard, and they even don't start and they give themselves this excuse. Don't give any excuses. As you will see in this series, you will be a successful freelancer. Believe in yourself, not in me. Believe in yourself and you will do it. Okay? So if you have an account, just go open it. If you don't have one, just sign up to Fiverr to follow up with this series. So this is my brand new account, and in this series I will create with you the gigs. I will promote everything with you. I will show you everything in detail so you can just follow up with me and grow your freelancing career. I think there is no tutorial like this on the internet showing you everything live, what I will do in detail step by step. Okay, I promise you, like every week I will publish a video, and I hope by the end of the 4th video in this series you will get your first client. Just work hard and do what I will tell you and you will be successful. Anyway, so this is my brand account on Fiverr. Now before you go and start publishing gigs and whatever, you have to know something very important. Just put yourself now instead of a buyer, of someone who wants to buy a service, okay? Think like a buyer. Now I want to buy a digital marketing service as an example. So I will go to digital marketing here and I want someone to promote my content. So I go to content marketing here and now I start searching for a freelancer like this. The first thing you may look at is maybe the image, the thumbnail, and mainly the reviews, okay? So it's very important to put in your mind that you need to get good reviews. And good reviews means a great or a professional skill, professional work. So number one, the first factor is to have a professional skill. When I say professional, I don't mean a very complicated or hard skill, no. I mean to learn exactly and to know exactly what you are going to give to the clients, okay? So as an example, if you are a content writer, a blog writer, make sure to give the best service. I will explain this in detail later, but number one is to give and deliver a great service, okay? Number two is to have a portfolio. What is a portfolio? Let's open a new tab and open this small website. You will see here a small portfolio. I am Hassan, and you go down, about me, my skills, my services, my clients, my work, and so on. This is just a template. I explained how to create this free portfolio here on my channel. You can check the video in the description below. So number two is to have a portfolio. Why? Simply because anyone here maybe send you a message asking about your work, would like to know about your other work, your other clients, whatever you have. Maybe you don't have clients, but you have work you did before. So it's very important to have a portfolio in your freelancing career, okay? Now you may ask me, I am still new, I don't have anything, I didn't do anything. So what I can do? Simply go and do something. That's simple. You need to go like search for people and maybe do the task for free for the first week, for the first 2 weeks, get some reviews, build some reputation, build some trust, and add this work to your portfolio. This will give you really a huge push when you want to start as a freelancer. And as I will mention later, when you want to grow outside this marketplace and have your own website like this one, like mine, as a real and professional freelancer with his own website, with his own work, with his own clients, okay? So step number two, or the second main factor, is to have a portfolio. Please, number one is to have a professional skill to deliver it professionally. Number two is to have a portfolio. If you want to create one, just go to my description below and watch the video. In like 20 minutes, you can have this portfolio ready. It's so simple, okay? So this is factor number two. Factor number three, which is also very important, I think it's the most important, is growing outside Fiverr or outside freelancing websites. You know, we have like Upwork.com, we have freelancer.com, we have peopleperhour.com, these websites. You see here, this is Upwork. All these are freelancing websites and you can work on all of these websites. But really, please focus well. The most important thing as a freelancer is to think how you grow outside these websites. You don't want always to stick inside these websites. You need to grow outside, okay? And to have your own freelancing career. You have your own clients and don't rely on any of these services that will take maybe 40% commission or 20% commission or whatever. Again, the three main factors: having a portfolio, professional skill, and growing outside or growing online. Now what's nice, I already created videos about all these topics. If you go to my channel here, you see here is the video about creating a free portfolio. If you go down here in my channel, you can see how to promote Fiverr gigs. If you go down here, where you will see Fiverr gigs examples in this video, you will see how to grow with zero audience online. You will see 6 Fiverr gigs to learn in this video. So I almost created videos about all this stuff. But in this series, I decided to make it connected, starting from A going to Z. So in this video, the main goal is to learn about the main 3 factors, and please go now and watch these videos about freelancing on my channel to have a basic idea about what we will do later, okay? On how we will grow later and other stuff. So the first step to do now is to sign up to Fiverr if you don't have an account. Why Fiverr? Because I think it's the simplest platform to start with. It's somehow easier than Upwork or Freelancer or whatever. So sign up to Fiverr. Be sure to watch the videos about portfolio. If you can start and create one, it will be perfect. If you have one, it's also perfect. And then watch my videos about growing online and growing your Fiverr gigs and promoting Fiverr gigs. And later on, I will show you practically how to do this. Okay? So stay tuned, and next week, I will show you exactly how to create a gig on Fiverr, optimize it, how to rank this gig, how to do keyword research for Fiverr, and a lot of other really practical stuff that will help you start as a freelancer online. So stay tuned and follow up with me. Don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications to get every new update almost every day. And please don't forget, this week I will be live on Instagram. So if you like to join this live session, the Q&A session, to ask anything you want about online business or digital marketing, find the Instagram account in the description below. Follow up me to see you maybe at Wednesday live on Instagram. See you later.